Alright, today I'm going to change the 245 tailgate struts because the fifth door is not holding itself. It's connected in two places, the strut. One is there with that metal ball, and the other one is there in the door with that clip. And of course, if you're going to do that, you will have to be able to hold the door while you do that. So there you see the broom 2000. In this case, I'm trying to open it with a plier, but I realized that was actually more difficult and complicated than what it should be. At the end of the day, it's easier just to put some pressure and slide that bottom piece over, and then just use your hands to take it out. It's pretty easy actually. So just learn from my mistake and don't use pliers because it doesn't make any sense. Here I'm showing you the new Strut. It's actually a Lesjofors brand. It's made in Sweden, and basically it's the same thing that it's being used in the original car. By that, what I mean is basically the same system, not the same one. As you might see here, you have like a wire that basically the first thing you need to do is you need to put some pressure to slide it over, and then you disconnect from the ball. And something very important is, and I'm going to show you later, is that don't try to do what I'm doing and first releasing the piece from the car. That's not the way it's done. The first thing you need to do is you need to release the back piece, the one attached to the door. Then you will be able to slide the strut, and very easily and gently you can do some leverage and basically without scratching the car, and that will pop it up. I don't know if you see, but it's really dirt and rust, so I'm going to use some WD-40 to clean that out. Same thing with the other connection. And here I'm just showing you how the system is. What you have is a wire that basically first goes into that female connection, and then once you get it all through, you can slide it over, and that will lock the strut against the car. I'm just cleaning that male connection with some WD-40. I'm going to use a plastic brush to remove like some extra dirt, and then after that I'm going to wipe it out with some kitchen paper towel. After doing that, since the new strut didn't come pre-lubed, I'm going to use something that I don't recommend, that is WD-40 silicone based. It's better than nothing, but if you can use some red grease, that it's going to be way better. Alright, just taking the excess of that silicone-based WD-40, and now you just need to put some pressure and pop it back. They're showing that the first thing you do now, it's the reverse order. You put the wire going across the strut, and then after doing that, you will just slide it over. And with the back piece is exactly the same. You just put it and slide it in. Here I'm playing around because it was the first time I did it, and I wasn't super sure how to do it, but you just slide it, and it's very easy. You will realize it's pretty straightforward. And with only one or two, with only one, it's already holding up. And here what I'm showing is that the back piece of the strut, it's way thinner in the Lesjofors than in the original OEM, but anyway, it's working well. And now I was just showing the end result, and wanted to show you that only with halfway open, the door holds itself and go to the top by itself. But since I didn't want to show the license plate, I ended up editing. thank you very much for watching this video. Take care.